If someone told you to use a letter of protection instead of your health insurance, they may have just cost you money. Here's the rule. If you have health insurance and you were hurt in a car accident or any personal injury, use your health insurance. That's it. That is the rule. I know some people are going to push back on that. Some firms send clients to treat on a lien even when they have health insurance. I'm going to explain exactly what I do and not do that and what it costs you when someone does. I'm Garrick McFadden. I'm an AV-rated personal injury lawyer in Phoenix. GAMESQ PLC is my firm. I've never sent a client with health insurance to treat on a letter of protection, not once, because it is not in their financial interest or the interest of their case. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to protect your own net recovery from the moment you start treatment. Let's start with what a letter of protection actually is. A letter of protection, or LOP, is a document your lawyer sends to a medical provider. It's also a lien. It says, treat this patient now and we will pay you out of the settlement later. That provider agrees to wait. The client gets treatment. At the end of the case, the provider gets paid back with interest in many cases. That sounds reasonable on the surface, but here's the problem. Lien providers charge cash rates. Health insurance pays negotiated rates. When a doctor treats you under a letter of protection, they are billing at full undiscounted rates. Those bills are often 2, 3, sometimes 4 times higher than what your health insurance would be if you had paid the exact same treatment. At the end of the case, that lien gets paid out of your part of the settlement. The higher the lien, the less money goes to you. That is the math that matters. Here's a real world example. Say your medical treatment costs $10,000. Under a letter of protection, the provider bills $10,000. At the end of the case, they want $10,000 or close to it. Under your health insurance, that same treatment gets billed, your insurer negotiates down, let's say to $3,500 and pays it. The at-fault driver's insurance still values those bills, but now the lien on your settlement is $3,500, not $10,000. The difference goes into your pocket. Now, I know what some people are going to say. What about my deductible and my copays? Yes, you pay those under your health insurance, but in most cases, the negotiated savings are dramatically larger than your out-of-pocket costs. If you have problems, hit up Claim Angel. Anyways, and there is something else. When you use health insurance, you're also building a medical record that flows through your insurer. That record is consistent, it is hard to challenge. It looks like when it is a person that gets hurt and gets real treatment. What about people who don't have health insurance? This is a different situation entirely. A letter of protection exists to give those people access to the care they cannot pay out of pocket. That is a legitimate use. But if you have health insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, access, employer coverage, any coverage, the math almost always favors using it. Here's what I want you to walk away with. Your net recovery is not just what the insurance company pays. It is what you actually receive after medical bills, liens, and your attorney's fees. Every dollar sitting in a lien is a dollar that does not go home with you. The decision about how to treat is one of the first decisions in your case, and it has a direct effect on the last number you see. If you were hurt in Arizona in a crash, personal injury, slip and fall, and you have health insurance, use it. If someone is telling you otherwise, you deserve an explanation why. If you want to understand your options, or if something about your case does not feel right, contact me. At GAMESQ, it is always your injuries, our fight, your win.